fighters be leaders, astronauts be champions, standing in the hall of fame.
Beniman, speak up, speak up, speak up. A bad man, Beniman, come back, come back. In a love song, a bad man, Beniman, speak up, speak up, speak up. A bad man, Beniman, come back, come back. In a love song. Idi war, ana unyo dogolako, dogolako ni kongkong, dogolako ni kongkong.
Beniman, Muzebi, Wan Bernard, the two stars. Beniman started his music career way back in 2005 with the name Two Stars. In the crew, there were only two. And later on, he was joined by another fellow. Of recent, the crew was comprising Mambo, but later they splitted, and Mambo became Mambo One Star, and then Two Star remained for some. Wang Bernard remained for some time as the Two Stars. His real name is Wang Bernard. Later on, he changed his stage name from the Two Stars to Beniman until the time of his passing. Beniman was a good and friendly music artist who produced specifically dancehall genres with many collaborations with several artists around northern Uganda. Beniman's song penetrated the entire northern Uganda, the Jopadola site, Karamoja, Acholi, the Alur, and many other sites in northern Uganda. He won several music awards, including Northern Uganda Artist of the Year. Beniman developed a bigger dream after realizing people are not supporting his music to the level that he had expected. Then he shifted to Kampala, where he got a chance to feature artists such as Shiba Karunji, and around those places where he met his misfortunes. And the cause of his death was a cancer, where we cannot go detail about it, but the contribution of Wang Bernard to the music industry of Lao, Luo, Nilotic, and the entire northern Uganda at large is undoubtable. It just speaks for itself. Wang Bernard has been hitting hard since the time he entered into the industry. The dream that he had was to take northern Uganda dancehall music to the Jamaican level. One time he said his mission to change his name to Beniman was to reflect the image of the Beniman, who is the king of the dancehall in Jamaica. Nilotic Gates recognizes his contribution immensely to the industry, and replacing him has become hard, especially in the Longstaff region. Ever since he departed, Lao music is not crossing border, even to its neighbors. The artists who he left behind are not coping up with his high-level performance that he exhibited. May his soul rest in peace, and may this crown be a gift to him. He is a legend, and today he is in the Hall of Fame.
I'm on a back to sender, and I'm not putting my daggy. I'm on a back to sender, and I'm not putting my money. Il ruolo to entemiro c'era polo. No. Cameroon. Cameroon. No.
Rico.
Young for the Babylon's here, young for the last ones in the area. Young for the parasites here.